YouTube, what's happening? I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna go get straight to it. This is how to sell, but we at this little spot right now. This little car meet, you know what I'm talking about? The first time bringing out the, hold on, what the fuck? I just watched this shit. But anyways, the first time bringing out the Q to a meet ever since I just got it. So there it is, but I'm gonna show y'all around a little bit. They got this lifted Jeep, you know what I'm saying? They got a, I think this a RS5, motherfucking smooth. They got a Stinger. And then, let me see. They got a Scat, another Scat. Straight A Chrysler. You don't see these a lot. These kind of rare, I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker looks smooth. Little 5.7. And then, shit. Motherfuckers finna get it sweating. But they got this cat right here. They got another one pulling on right there. Another Scat. They got hella Scats, bro. Damn. Scat World. A couple Mustangs. Another Scat. Another Scat. Motherfuckers sound good though. 5.0. Another, actually I don't know what the fuck that is, but. And then they got this cat right here. This rap hard as hell. This rap so tough, bro. And then they got, let me see real quick. They got the Hellcat boys. Damn, nigga. What the fuck? Hey, that's gonna be me soon.
Man, shut your bitch.
They got another cat. This motherfucker sound nasty, I ain't gonna lie. Bit tracky on them. See what I'm saying? Hold on. This nigga wildin'. I gotta get this nigga real quick. Another cat. Damn, that motherfucker look. Snakes. Wide body Scat. Scat. RT. They got the Beamer trucks.
Say he come up true.
What? Let me hear that shit real quick.
Here.
I don't believe it's straight pipe.
You don't believe it?
I don't believe it.
Got him. We fucking got him.
You just got it?
Huh?
You just got it? Shit smooth. Gotta see what it's talking about. Oh, okay. Okay. Not capping. Bro, not capping.
Told you.
Well, I thought this was Qual for a second. But I remember his shit got stolen. I thought this was Qual for a second.
One of these cars got stolen.
His Charlie.
He was out of town. Yeah, he was out of town when she got happened.
Chat, I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go back in the car. It's way too hot. OD hot. They got more shit. They got fresh on them. They Y'all gotta do something, huh?
Nah, I can't do that. 12 right now.
I don't give a fuck.
Where? Oh,
Stop,
shit.
man. I can't do shit.
I swear I stay missing content, bro. Fuck. I stay missing content.
You better watch out.
Talk your shit. JB, you got competition. You gotta talk your shit. JB, he just tried your ass. He just tried your ass, JB. Talk your shit.
It's time to play the game.
Tripping. What that scout about to do? He about to wall out. But he about to Talk your shit. Talk your shit. Oh, never mind. That exit was nasty. Shit. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Talk your shit. Oh, shit. This nigga. That nigga was not lying, bro. All right, new spot, but y'all know how to give me a quick little snap break. You know, we got the, oh shit, I can't even, hold on, chat. We got the Sour Patches and the Gatorade up in there. But this is a new spot, about deep as hell right now. They got that B58 John. What is this for? Hold on, y'all, give me a quick sec.
Not that way though.
Just recording everybody's car.
Type shit. Them boy got me on goddamn camera duty. But the camera hard as fuck, boy. Hell yeah. They know not to give me no camera, boy. Hell yeah, all the Camrys, Toyotas. This you right here, ain't it? Fastest 5.7 in the city. Then they can look at this shit again and be like, bro, this shit suck. Where Chico at? Chico?
So they got some smooth shit, hold on. They got GTs, another red sport. Scat. GT 500 right there, he about to skirt off. True. Stinger. You know what I'm saying? And they got Camaro, and then my shit, Scat. They got big ass tires. I don't even know what side them is. And what side this is? These still 5s or 315s?
315.
Damn.
Yeah, 315s all around.
That shit crazy. Orange supercharger.
Where's the RT?
Then they got the vet boys. I ain't think this nigga was serious. Nigga went back home and bought a vet out. This nigga was seriously going back home and bought a vet out. BMW truck, red eye, 392 SS. And then Chrysler. I'm gonna go over there real quick, and then I'm probably end the video. Hold on, chat. Slim body cat. Scat. Another scat. SRT 392. Old school Crown Vic. Let's see. Another scat. And then they got another scat back there. That shit look nasty. I ain't even gonna go over there. But that's about it. Oh, they got some more shit pulling up. Hold on, y'all.
Young Shine, you killed this track.
Don't make you fat nigga go get it. Tell her old nigga go get it.
Hey, I'm gonna take a picture real quick after the spot. A double R is crazy. Big my yarn. Big my yarn.